You know, this is my favorite section, guys, because ऐसा मुझे लगता है अक्सर कि the moment you share a tech tip, जैसे मैं आपके साथ में शेयर करता हूँ या फिर मुझे अगर कोई बताता है, it solves at times a huge problem और लाइफ्स काफ़ी आसान हो जाती है because everything is technological, you know, around us. Speaking of technology, I'm sure आप में से काफ़ी लोग iPhone यूज़ करते हैं and whenever you are typing, whenever you are chatting या जब भी आप कुछ एक टेक्स्ट को टाइप कर चुके हैं, sometimes if you'd want to rectify any error, अगर आपने कुछ गलत कुछ spelling लिख दी है something, it becomes very difficult for you to navigate precisely to that spot with your cursor because आप tap करते रहेंगे but that precise navigation is missing at times. But did you know it's very simple for you, just hold on to the space bar, do a long press and essentially you get a small trackpad for your entire keyboard and you can navigate precisely exactly आपको जहां पे जाके अपनी गलती ठीक करनी है, go to that spot, do that edit and you're good to go. Guys, for the next story of the week, I've got this. I mean, a very budget-friendly, affordable pair of neckband style earphones from OnePlus, the all-new OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2, now coming with active noise cancellation. I mean, at times, there are people जिनको वो कान में छोटे वाले ईयरफोन्स लगाने का शौक होता है. There are a few which are kind of old school like me, जहाँ पे आपको चाहिए एक proper headphone jack वाला system, जहाँ पे you have a wired system. But I think neckband style is the best bet in between, जहाँ पे you get kind of this wired वाला पूरा feel around your neck, making sure कि जो आपके earphones हैं वो कहीं गिरा के आप खो ना दो. At the same time giving you the convenience as well कि आपको एक लंबी बैटरी लाइफ भी मिल रही है and they are always with you right around your neck और जब आपको पहनना है it's very easy, just wear them, use for whatever you want to and simply there's a magnet here for you to just put it like a necklace. तो यहाँ पे guys, these are the latest earphones packing in some interesting features. Let's see up close कि आखिर इसमें क्या क्या नए options हैं, priced at 2,299 rupees.
In the era of true wireless earphones, ये जो old school neckband style है, might feel a little dated and overbearing. But having said that, इस फॉर्म फैक्टर के साथ वेरियस एडवांटेजेस भी आते हैं. द बिगेस्ट ऑफ वन, आई गेस, रीजनल प्राइसिंग फॉर द फीचर्स एंड परफॉर्मेंस ऑन ऑफर. OnePlus continues to promote this form factor and इनका लेटेस्ट neckband style wireless earphone, it takes this proven design one step further. The OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 ANC is exactly what the name suggests. The rather capable Bullets Wireless Z2. Big change यहाँ पर यह है कि इसमें active noise cancellation ऐड हो गया है, while the sound and sonic performance वो largely same ही है OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 के जैसे. This means आप expect कर सकते हैं कि इन earphones का sound थोड़ा punchy होगा, bass driven होगा, as well as loud होगा, and occasionally fatiguing होगा if you listen to a lot of bass heavy tracks. So discretion is advised. When it comes to pricing, the Bullets Wireless Z2 ANC is arguably the best you can buy in its price range, especially क्योंकि अब इनमें active noise cancellation भी आ गया है.